Hey YouTube, what up guys? Long time no see. I've been just working and working. I haven't posted a video for a little bit. I got one special for you guys today, a new spot that I've been wanting to fly. It's like a man-made waterfall, natural, several waterfalls together. It's a pretty cool area, but it's all man-made stuff. It still look nice though. All my stuff is getting neglected. I ain't had time to mess with none of it. There's projects I left unfinished and I don't have time for it anymore. I work constantly. I really would like to be able to come back to this stuff and get everything in good order and proceed with the channel, but right now I work. I gotta keep that income coming in just to be able to make it. Anyway guys, I had something I wanted to run by you here real quick. I had an idea. So I'm doing DoorDash and I'm also delivering the meal kits, the HelloFresh and stuff like that. I'm delivering those here around the area and I'm doing DoorDash. So I'm always out driving my truck and my truck's always on the road and stuff. So I'm thinking about using it for some advertising. So if there's any companies out there that want to hit me up, just look at my channel in the About section. There's an email there and just email me. And we'll work out some kind of deal and you can get one section of my truck and put a decal on there or whatever and I'll advertise for you while I'm driving around. But for everybody else, for me and for everybody else, everybody with channels, you guys got to let me know what you think about this idea in the comments. If I get a lot of good response, I'll do it. If nobody is worried about it, then I'll just forget about it. But my idea is to use like the tailgate or a fender or the back glass or even a hood and for me, I was going to put, you know, my channel name and some little thing, some graphic saying, please subscribe or go subscribe to this channel and maybe a picture of a RC car or a drone or something, some FPV goggles so people get a, kind of an idea of what it's about. And just kind of some little thing. I found a shop that can do the print of stuff. And, you know, just so as I'm driving around, people see that and they'll subscribe to my channel. Because there's so many people, I'm living DFW, Dallas-Fort Worth, so there's 8-10 million people here or something, and I'm always driving around, and thousands of people see it. So out of those, some of them are going to go check it out and see what it's all about, and if they like your content, they'll subscribe. So I'm thinking, I know there's other of you guys that would like to grow your channel, so if you guys want to grow your channel, I'm thinking about redoing my Patreon, set it up for a $3 tier, and $3 tier just gets access to Patreon and gets the videos early. And I'm also going to start, everybody that joins Patreon, I'm going to put your name at the beginning of the videos, thanking you for the support for the channel and helping you get people to see the name of your channel so they can go subscribe if they want to. The other thing is, and there's going to be a $10 tier. And anybody that signs up for the $10 tier gets a spot on my truck, their own logo with their channel name, asking people to subscribe to them. It'll be $10 a month, and every month that you pay, the logo will be on the truck for the whole month. And then, you know, if people don't pay or whatever, then I'll take the logo off or whatever. I may make them magnetic. I'm not sure yet. I'll figure all that out. But I just need to know if you guys are interested in it first. If there's any of you guys out there that want to grow your channel and want to pay $10 a month to put your channel name on my truck, while I'm driving around doing all these deliveries and stuff and get some people's eyes and knowing your channel name and get some people coming in subscribing to you, let me know if you guys are interested in something like that and I'll get it set up. Anyway guys, I don't really have too much here to show you. We did a garage sale and I got everything rearranged. I want to get back on this stuff, but I got to get my finances in order first. I've been working a lot trying to get that accomplished, and I still want to get my DJI drone replaced too. I don't have a DJI drone, a GPS drone anymore, and I really liked having that thing. It was really special, nice for special videos, certain scenarios. So I want to get that replaced here soon too. But anyway guys, I want to show you this footage I got earlier and check out this awesome video I got for you guys, and let me know what you think down in the comments, and if you enjoy the video, drop a like. And let me know what you think about my idea about helping you guys grow your channel and me grow my channel and use my truck for advertising to help us grow our channels and boost us up so that, you know, a year down the road or whatever, we can come back to our channels once they finally get boosted up. Or for me, that's what I want to do, you know, work this, build up my credit and get my finances in order, and then advertise the channel on the truck while I'm doing it and let it be growing in the background. Keep posting good videos at least once a week or once every other week. Try to keep good content coming, And yeah, if you guys are interested in advertising on my truck and helping grow your channel, let me know. We'll set it up. Roll the footage. Check this flights out, guys. I had a blast. It was the first time I've flown in a couple weeks, so I was a little rusty, but I caught on quick and I was having fun flying down close to the waterfall and coming up through it like that. You guys are gonna love it. Here we go. Roll the footage. Check it out, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Later, fam. Hell yeah. That was fun, fun, fun. I love this spot.